It ain't because I hadn't got into trouble before, and I hadn't made plenty of mistakes. But I learned a lot of shit from my mistakes. I
Yeah.
probably learned more from the mistakes than I did from the stuff they tried to teach me.
Yeah, they don't teach mistakes. They don't teach.
No, mistakes are a great teaching tool, though. If I get out of this, I'll take the picture by myself, man.
Here's Muhammad.
Yeah, I've been in a few pickles. I used to go to Hickory a lot. They sent me up there in a cab over locally. And where I was supposed to go, when I got up there, they had changed the road. Now all of a sudden it was a one-lane road, one-way road. And I'm going the wrong way. Oops. Luckily with the cab over, it'll turn around on a dime. I just sputtered around the middle of the road and came right on over.
Yeah. Now, will Eric tell you when to stop?
Yeah.
So you don't have to know when to stop, right?
He'll tell you before you start where you need to go.
But he won't tell you to stop when you get there, will he?
If he's with you, yeah. Excuse me. If he's there with you, yes.
So you go straight up, straight back, and that front bumper is going to go just beyond that cone that's got all the plastic on it.
On the straight back, it's going to go all the way to the end cone.
All the way to the end
On
cone.
the left side.
All the way to the end cone on the left side. And how many points is this test total?
You can get 12 points and still pass.
And hitting a cone is 2 points. And then what are the other penalties?
Extra pull-ups is a point.
Any extra pull-up is 1 point.
Well, not counting your free ones.
And you get 2 free pull-ups for the 90.
You get 1 for free on the straight back, 2 for free on the offset, 2 for free on the 90.
Okay.
You can get out and look twice.
And if you don't hit cones, then you've got... How much is a pull-up?
A point.
1 point. So if you didn't hit any cones, you could have 12 pull-ups, right? Just
Yep.
12 points. If you get 12 points, you pass. You get 13 points, you're done. You failed.
Yep. But now that being said, if you don't use any extra pull-ups and don't hit any cones on the first 2 maneuvers, then you still got 12 points to play with. Plus
Your
2
2
free
pull-ups
pull-ups.
on the 90.
So you could technically pull up 14 times and still pass.
Okay, Wes, I'm videoing him right now on his offset. So as he's doing it, why don't you talk it through it? Let's say that you're right there on the cab talking through the window to him. You're going to tell him what? To the left?
To the right.
I mean, wheels to the wheels.
Offset, yes, to the left, all the way. And then count the 3 Mississippis. When you see that orange mark in your mirror, cut it all the way to the right. Hold it to the right till you see that tall cone. When the trailer wheels start turning toward the tall cone, back to the left. Till it gets straight. Left, right, left.
For the offset for the test, it's left, right, left. you ever owned your own truck?
Yes, sir.
You don't want all that headache, do you?
Not in one piece of it. I would like to own a train home, but it's better.
You'd like to do what?
They're train homes. They have enough air to run them.
Oh, I was going to say, I thought that's what you said. You mean mounted on your own personal car?
Oh, yeah.
I
I think that would be pretty neat.
Have you ever seen people doing that on YouTube?
We were down at Myrtle Beach, and there was a big old jacked up truck that had it, and it just echoed in between the buildings.
That would scare people
Yeah, scare the
beyond.
bejesus.
I mean, you think a train's getting ready to hit you.
Yeah.
All right, Wes, you're going to have to say something into this camera when I point it over to you.
Okay, what you want?
Tell us all about what it is to be a trucker.
What it is? It's all about the money.
It's all about the money.
It's all about the money. Money, money, money.
Good money to be made in trucking?
There is money to be made in trucking.
I believe it. That's why I'm here. That was good, Wes. Now I've got to put my 2 cents in worth. This is Mr. Wes Nance right here. Everybody at Future Truckers of America raves about this man right here, how he is the #1 trainer. He's the best. Wes is the best. Make no mistake about it. Great personality, great temperament, super knowledge, perfect man for the job. Thanks, Wes.
Thank you very much. So, 2 cows.
Hell, it's the truth, Wes. It's the truth. Everybody over there talks about that. Talks about you. So, here we have Muhammad. He's doing his 90-degree turn. He comes out of the offset, hard to the right, and then now back to the left, and now he's straightening it up. Is that right, Wes?
Yep.
So he's getting set up for a 90-degree backing turn to the driver's side of the vehicle, which is to the left. So Wes, once again, he's going to turn the wheel 3 o'clock to the right, hold it to the right. The rear of that trailer is going to start turning toward those cones. Hang it to the right, hang it to the right, hang it to the right. Now when you start to see the rear of that trailer start to really turn, you're going to turn the wheel of that cab hard left to begin straightening that cab up and getting it in line with the trailer, which should be in line with the cones. Is that right, Wes?
Yes.
Which is exactly what he's doing.
Get them all in line with each other.
Getting them in line. You never want that cab to be jacked in relation to the trailer. You want it to look more like a boomerang if you were looking right down on top of it, instead of a right degree turn. And it looks like Muhammad is just about to pass his parking test, because so far he is doing great. Muhammad, by the way, is one of the many graduates at this point from the Wes Nance School of Backing. Down here at Future Truckers of America, we do have a course all about how to drive a tractor trailer. 90% of the accidents in this business are from backing up around docks. And if you have the skills that Wes has, there will be no more accidents at the dock on behalf of the driver's fault. Isn't that right, Wes?
We hope so.
We hope so.
We hope so.
Note here that Wes did not claim that what I said was true. So that just goes to show this is a humble man. And it looks like our man Muhammad is getting ready to park this trailer in, and he is not going to go below or beyond the cones. And if he's made it successfully, that means he's passed the backing portion of this class. So he's jumping out of the truck to check the position to see if he needs to go back further. So we'll determine by the movement of the truck what he came up with. It looks like he's going to have to back it up just a hair. And somebody on this course, I'm not going to mention any names on this video, but told us how to cheat and how you can step out and you can measure off a little bit of a distance to help you and to know exactly where to stop. And if you follow this person's advice, you will be able to hit it right on the mark. You'll be able to call your final position with the man grading, which is Mr. Eric over there. I'm not sure what Eric's last name is, but Eric, former Marine sniper, former SWAT team member for the Davidson County Sheriff's Department, and this is the man that does all the grading, and we're going to see what the results are.
Kelly's examiner too.
And that's Mr. Kelly over there, and it looks like, I believe it looks like he passed. And everybody's happy, and that concludes this portion of the video.